Uh, good evening, everyone. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Just give me 2 minutes. We'll start. Is my screen is visible? Can you see my screen, everyone? Just give me a confirmation. Is it
Yes,
visible? Hello, hello.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we'll be discussing this integral calculus for this K-CET level exams. So we'll be solving few questions, and whenever concepts are required, we'll be discussing that also. So can you all please give that try to the first questions of today's sessions? So question is already in the screen. So you have to integrate. This is the indefinite integration questions. So quickly just do it and let me know the which option is correct. Then we'll just discuss this if you have any doubts. So first is done. Anyone got the answer? Okay, I think Anurag has given the answer. That is option D. That is the correct one. So let me do quickly. Let me show how to proceed with this one. Just 1 minute. Uh, okay, so now you can see how to proceed. Those who are maybe not getting the things now see. So yeah, so this in this question we are given with, okay. So the question is integration of x square plus 1. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, yeah. So the question is given as uh, integration of, okay, your x square plus 1 x square, just 1 minute.
Sir, on the PPT itself, you can annotate.
1 minute. Sorry.
Sir, on the PPT itself, you can annotate.
Yeah, correct. So they are only, you can annotate 1 minute. That is good idea actually. Instead of going to paint, 1 minute. Okay. So over here the integration value is given as, okay, x square. 1 minute. Some issue might have happened. 1 minute. Uh, okay. So integration of x square plus 1 divided by, we have x square minus 1 dx. So the numerator, okay, we can write in the form as numerator x square plus 1, okay. So we can write this as x square, okay, minus 1 plus 2, correct? So this we can write for the numerator. Now the integral will become what? That is your integration of, so x square minus 1 plus 2 divided by your denominator part is x square minus 1 dx. Now you separate the numerator. So this will be, now first part will be what? X square minus 1 by x square minus 1, right? So if I write over here, so this will be equal to x square minus 1, x square minus 1 get cancelled. So this will be only integration of a dx, okay. Then second part will be integration of 2 dx divided by your second denominator part is x square minus 1, okay. Now this first part you can integrate easily. The value will be x, okay. Integration of dx will be x. And the second part also you can integrate using the standard formula, and that will be what? Log of x minus 1 by x plus 1. So option D is correct, okay. So here we'll get the option D as the correct answer, okay. So I hope is it clear? Simple question. So now we'll go to the next one. Next question. Just 1 minute. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. Now, is it clear, everyone? Shall I go to next question now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's go to next question. 1 minute. Is it visible? Screen is visible still?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. It's the same one.
Can you see the next question?
No, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me reshare again. 1 minute. There is a problem. Okay. Yes. Now I think you can see. You can able to see. Yes. Now is it visible? Can you see?
No, sir.
Question number 2 is visible to
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then try this one. Okay. Someone has given the answer. Vittal has given the answer is option C. What about others? Everyone is getting the same. Okay. So this Niharika also has given the same answer. Okay. Others?
Sir, it's Nainika.
Sorry. Nainika. My bad. Yeah. Okay. So here the hint is what? What to do? What is the first step we need to do? Anyone want to say? Or you can unmute and you can tell to others, those who are done. So in the first step itself, the hint is you have to simplify the denominator part, right? That is 1 plus cos 8x. So how to simplify that one? So cos 8x you can write as 2 into cos 4x, correct? I mean 2 into 4x, cos 2 into 4x. You can split 8x as 2 into 4x. Then you can apply 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. That will be 2 cos square theta formula, okay? So we'll be getting the expression. So let me do this quickly. Denominator part, that is 1 plus, okay, 1 plus cos 8x is there. Just 1 minute. 1 plus cos 8x. So this you can write as 1 plus cos, okay, 2 times, I mean twice into 4x. So you can apply the 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. So this will be equal to how much? That will be equal to twice of cos square 4x, correct? Twice of cos square 4x. Then this will be the denominator simplified version. Then you can take to the integrand is what? 1 by, right? So it will be ultimately 1 by 2 integration of this cos square 4x will be secant square 4x. It will go to numerator. Secant square 4x dx, right? Now you can integrate secant square 4x will be easy to integrate. So that will be 10 4x by 4, right? You can assume that 4x as a t. Then you can proceed, or directly also you can do. So finally, the value will be how much? That is your 1 by 2 is the constant outside, and the tan of 4x, okay? Tan of 4x by 4 plus c. So plus c, and the next step you can multiply 2 and 4 also in denominator. So ultimately the final answer will be 1 by 8, okay, times 10 4x, 10 4x plus c, okay, 10 4x plus 6. So that is the answer, okay. So now this is clear. So we'll go to the next question then, if this is clear. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. Yes, again that same issue is happening. 1 minute. This issue is still happening. Yeah, 1 minute. Let me reshare again. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Those who are done. 1 minute. Okay. Yes. Now let's go to question number 3. So question number 3 is this one. So just give me a confirmation if you see my screen and start doing question number 3.
Yes, sir, we see.
Okay. Okay. Bhutal has again given the answer. Others, what is the answer? Just give me confirmation once quickly. Okay. Shaurya also given the answer. Okay. Okay, others guys, other people, Shaurya and Vital has given the answer so far. Nainika, Acha, Anurag also has given the answer. Okay, Vital also has given the answer. Okay, yes, others, uh, Nainika, Angelina, all those.
Sir, I'm not getting the answer.
Okay, okay. See, just try once, then we'll just discuss the answer. The hint for this question is, see, both the numerator and denominator have same degree, right? So what to do in this type of questions? So you can perform long division, right? So divide the denominator by numerator, okay? I mean, take 3x square plus 1 as your dividend and x square minus 6x plus 8 as your divisor. Then check what is the remainder you are getting. Then you can apply a division that called division algorithm, right? You can split this fraction into some mixed fraction form, right? Remainder plus divisor by, quotient by divisor, right? This you can write as remainder plus quotient upon divisor. So divisor is anyhow x square minus 6x plus 8, right? You have to get the quotient. So long division, you can, if you can perform, that will be easier to do here because both have same degree. So if you do long division, then you will be getting a proper fraction, right? Degree of numerator will be smaller than that of denominator. Then you can proceed with next step is what? You can go with partial fraction method also, right? Because that is the requirement. Degree of denominator should be greater than that of numerator. Okay. So if you let me split this one. So in our question, we have 3x square, okay, plus 1 divided by, we have this x square minus 6x, okay, plus 8. So this also can be written as in a mixed fraction form, that is 3, okay, 3 plus 18x, okay, minus 23 whole upon your divisor, that is x square minus 6x plus 8, okay. So this is the how did I got? By performing long division. Divide this by this one, you will get this type of things, okay. Then you can still further simplify this one. So 3 will be as usual. So 18x minus 23 also need to be written as usual. Then denominator part you can factorize, right? This is x square minus 6x plus 8. So both the linear factors by splitting a middle term will be how much? One is x minus 4 and your other part will be your x minus 2, correct? So now you can, for this part, this is your part 1, right? This is your part 1 integration. This is your part 2. For part 2, you can take the help of method of partial fraction, right? Because both the denominator factors are linear factors. So you can apply the concept of partial fraction method here. So if you write this one, that is your 18x minus 23, okay, divided by x minus 4 times x minus 2, right? So this I can write as this equal to what? Some capital A upon x minus 4, okay, plus some capital B upon your x minus 2, right? So next step is what? You have to find the value of constant A and B by a method of partial fraction, right? So from there, you'll be getting the values of A and B. Then substitute over here. You know how to get the value of A and B, right? Anyone doesn't know here, I need to tell? Or you know how to get the values of A and B? Anyone who has any issue here, you can just unmute and speak. A and B value, you know, right? How to find partial
Yes, sir.
fraction?
Yes, sir.
So anyone who has already solved, can you tell me what is the value of A you got by this method? A will be how much and B will be how much? Those who are done already. A value and B value.
So 49 by 2 and minus
A
13
is
by 2.
49 by 2. Okay, correct. A will
And
be
B
something
minus
like this
13 by
fraction
2.
49 by 2. And your B will be
Minus 13
something
by 2.
minus 13 by 2, correct? So after substituting those values over here, now the question transformed to what? The normal integration, right? So this can be easily integrable now. Now I think you can do. So those who are not getting, can you proceed now further? After this, I think you can do, right? Substitute the values of A and B over there and you integrate. So first part integration is easy, 3. So it will be 3x. And second part integration also easy, right? Linear factors are there in denominator. You can assume x minus 4 as a t and you can proceed. So it will be coming in the form, right? So we'll be getting the answer, correct? So this will be, I think this question, which option is matching then? Option B. For your reference, the answer will be option B. Okay. So those they haven't asked to integrate here. So you can perform integration also. Extra step, I am just telling. So they asked just to just break. So option B is correct. If they would have asked integration, then you can proceed further. So here option B is correct. For integration, you can next step is what? Integrate all those things. So all this is also integrable easily. This part also easily integrable, right? Linear factors are there. Yes. Okay. So I think this part is done. So now we'll go to the next question. That is 1 minute. We'll go to the next question. 1 minute. Okay, now question number 4 is visible to everyone. Can you see question number 4? Just tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, yes. So start again, give a try. Okay, someone have given the answer, I guess. Others, just which options you are getting. Yes, anyone got the answer for this one? Kindly paste your answer in the chat box. Anurag was the
So
answer.
So option A.
Option A. Okay, yes, option A is correct. So this is also a simple question. So what to do? So say here, this numerator part you can simplify, right? So cos 2x you can write as 2 cos square x minus 1, and cos 2 theta of numerator you can write as what? Again the same, that is 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? Then the numerator will be modified as, so this is cos 2x, okay, minus cos 2 theta. So this I can write as your 2 cos square x using the trigonometric formulae, that is your 2 cos square x minus 1 minus again 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1, okay. So this, in this way you can write it, okay. Then after that this 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Ultimately the numerator left over is what? That will be your 2 cos square x, okay. So 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square theta. This is the leftover for numerator, okay. And the denominator is already given, that is cos x minus cos theta. Now you can take 2 common out of the numerator, okay. So after taking 2 common, you can factorize this one, identity, right? A square minus b square identity. If you apply, then you'll be getting cos x plus cos theta times cos x minus cos theta, right? So cos x minus cos theta will get cancelled because that is the common factor present in both numerator and denominator, right? So ultimately after that you will be left with what? The integration of only cos x plus cos theta. I mean 2 will be outside. So integration of cos x plus cos theta, okay? Cos x plus cos theta whole dx. So cos x integration will be sin x, and cos theta integration will be what? Cos theta is a constant because our variable is x. So that part integration will be x cos theta, okay, and plus c. So option A will be the correct answer for this question, okay. Option A will be the correct answer for this question. So let's go to the next question then. If this is clear, we'll go to the next question. So now, yes, now try this question once. This is question number 5. Yeah, question number 5, yes. Yes, question number 5. Any answer?
So option D.
Option D. Okay. So option D is correct. Yeah, this is also easy question. See how to do. So numerator again you have to modify. That is we have x plus 3 times e to the power x. Okay. So this divided by x plus 4 whole square. Okay, this is given to us or dx. So now the numerator part you can modify as, you can write numerator as x plus 4 minus 1, because 3 can be written as 4 minus 1. So this divided by x plus 4 whole square, x plus 4 whole square. Okay, then everything e power x will be there. So outside into dx. Then you separate the numerator. So this will be finally what? It will be getting e to the power x. So x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 whole square. So it will get cancelled. So we'll be ultimately left with e to the power x into 1 upon x plus 4. Okay. This is the first part. Then minus, okay, minus 1 upon x plus 4 whole square dx. X plus 4 whole square dx. Right? I mean whole dx. So this is our integrand, right? Now see, this is a standard formula. Which formula is this? So this is the formula e to the power x, okay, into what? Into your f of x plus
F
f
of
dash
X.
of x. Into f of x plus f dash of x, the standard formula used to learn in integration by parts of integration, right? So this will be how much? The answer of integration will be e to the power x, okay, into f of x. E to the power x into f of x plus c, right? So over here, if you see over here, this part, right? The derivative of this part will be how much? 1 upon x plus 4 whole square, right? The derivative of this part will be 1 upon x plus 4 whole square. Okay, so that's why. So this we can write as in this form, right? Then from here you'll get the f of x. F of x value is what? 1 upon x plus 4. So that's why final answer will be e to the power x times 1 upon x power 4. Okay, that into c. So this will be option D is the right answer then. Okay, this is the standard property of integration. So option D is correct. This is how we can proceed here. Okay, so now we'll go to the next question. 1 minute. So let's go to the next question quickly. 1 minute. Yeah, then go to question number 6. This is question number 6. I think is visible to everyone. So now try this question number 6. This is also standard integration, easy, right? So you have to make into standard form of the formula. Then you can proceed. The formula will be what? Under root of x square plus a square dx integration formula. So first you make a perfect square inside the under root by some arrangement. Okay, then you'll get the values. So you can split this 5 as 4 plus 1. Then you'll be getting x plus 1 whole square, right, for the first 3 terms, plus 4. So then later you can write as 4s 2 square. So you have to use this formula. This is easy question, direct question. So you have to use this integration, standard integration formula. This is x square plus a square, correct? Integration of x square under root a square dx. So this formula you have to use, and from there you will get the answer. Okay, so now check which answer is correct.
Option A.
Okay, I think many people have given the answer. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Correct answer for this question is, which option is correct? Finally,
Option A.
okay, fine. So let's go to the next question. 1 minute. Okay, now let's go to the next question. This is done, I guess, simple direct formula based. Okay, just 1 minute. So let me go to the next question. Okay, so now we'll go to the question number 7 now. Just 1 minute. Okay, so question number 8. That was earlier was 7, right? Yeah. Sorry, 7 is this one. Yes. Now do the question number 7. Similarly. So this is also a direct question, right? Already they have given everything. You have to apply what? By parts. So they are asking A, B, and C value. That is also easy. I guess you can do. So what is the value? Can anyone tell me quickly? A, B, and C.
Sir, it's
Which option? Vital is telling something.
so 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay.
Sir, I'm getting option C.
Yes, option C
Yes,
is
sir,
correct.
C.
That is easy. Yeah. So that I think you can do. So shall I go to next question instead of solving? It's a direct question, right? Partial fraction. So I hope everyone can do this one. Let's go to next question then. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, fine. So let's go to next question directly. That is your question number 8. 1 minute. No, this is question number 8. Yeah, so this is question number 8. Now you can try this one.
So option A.
Okay, option A is correct. Yes. Others? So how to solve this question? Any idea?
So integration by parts.
By parts only, correct. So there is no other method here. So integration by parts, okay. So you apply, assuming the first function as x cube and second function is sine 3x. So this will be a bit lengthy question, but by parts directly you have to apply. Okay, so option A is correct. So any doubt over here? Do I need to solve? It's a lengthy question and simple one. So just by parts, if you apply, you'll get the answer. Guys, is it possible or I need to tell the steps also? Shall I go to next question? Others? If yes, then we'll go, or else I'll just show you how to solve.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I go to next question now? Okay, fine. So let's go to next question. This is question number 9. Yes, try this one. This is also easy question. Just try once, then we'll discuss the answer. Just one. Yes, any answer so far? My screen is visible to everyone, right? Can you see the question, everyone? Just give me a yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Anurag has given the answer. Okay. Others? Angelina, what about you? Vital, what about you?
Sir, can you explain this?
Okay. Anurag has given the answer so far, and that is the correct answer. Okay, let me solve this one. See, so those who are not getting, please pay attention here. So the question is 1 plus, okay, 1 plus x to the power 4 divided by 1 plus x to the power 6, okay, integration dx. So first you do one thing, first you factorize denominator. So over here, I can write this one as, 1 plus x to the power 6 as, I can write as 1 cube, okay, plus x to the power 2 whole cube. Basically, I want to write a cube plus b cube form, okay. So this will be how much? If you write in a cube plus b cube form, this will be a plus b, that is your 1 plus x square, okay, and whole into 1 minus, that is a square minus ab plus b square, right? A cube plus b cube identity I'm applying for denominator. And numerator, I can modify numerator as, that is your 1 plus x to the power 4. I can write as 1 minus x square, okay, plus x to the power 4, okay, plus x square. So basically I added x square, I subtracted x square for numerator, right? And I'll be getting this one, right? Now you can start integrating. So you can divide this one. So the whole numerator will become what now? So you can separate the numerator part, okay? So the integrand become now what? Finally, so I'm writing here. So this is your dx upon 1 plus x square will be the first part, okay? And plus second part will be what? Only leftover is what? X square, right? Because 1 minus x square plus x to the power 4 will get cancelled, right? From both the sides, okay? And leftover is only this one. So this plus x square, integration of x square upon your 1 plus x to the power 6, okay? Into dx. 1 plus x to the power 6 into dx, right? So there are two parts. Now first part is easy to integrate, right? That is the standard formula, 1 plus x square. So this is tan inverse formula, right? So tan inverse x, okay? First part is easy to integrate. And second part integration, you can apply substitution, right? So over here, x to the power 6, you can write as x cube whole to the power 2. So the denominator of second part, you can write as 1 plus x cube whole to the power 2, right? Now you use the method of substitution. So you take x cube as a t, right? Then you proceed. So second part integration will be how much if you do that one? So it will be 1 by 3, okay, times tan inverse x cube, right? So option B will be the correct answer. I hope all of you understood, right? So both the parts you are applying tan inverse x formula. Second part directly I'm not able to use, so I just write this x to the power 6 as x cube whole square. That is the things you are doing. Then you are applying substitution, that by x cube is equal to t. This is the substitution we are doing. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. I hope, is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Give me a thumbs up, then
Yes,
we'll go
sir.
to the next question. Okay. Okay, so I think, is it clear? Any doubts so far? Shall I go to next question now? Shall I go to next question, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll go to next question. That is now question number 9. Okay, we'll go to question number 9 now. So 1 minute. So this is question number 9. Question number 9, question number 10. Yeah, let's go to question number 10. So this is question number 10. Just have a look and how to solve this one. So we have integration of x into e to the power x dx upon 1 plus x whole square in denominator part. So then how to integrate this one? So this
option
type of
B.
question already you solved in the previous one. So same formula you need to use, that is your e to the power x whole into f of x plus f dash of x. That one you need to use here. This is also quite easy question. Okay. So okay, now see. So how to solve this one? So just have a look quickly. So over here, the numerator you need to modify, right? So we have e to the power x, and x I can write as x plus 1 and minus 1. So I added 1, I subtracted 1. That is the numerator part, divided by denominator is what? X plus 1 whole square. Okay. So this integration dx. So now you just integration e to the power x will be as usual. Now you divide this one. So x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, it will be what? 1 upon x plus 1, then minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So this e to the power x will be as a outside whole times dx, right? Now this is the formula same as this one, right? E to the power x, I mean integration of e to the power x whole into your f of x plus f dash of x, this formula, right, of dx. So you take this one is f of x. So f of x is in this case is what? F of x is your 1 upon x plus 1. Then your f dash of x will be how much? It will be negative of minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So answer will be what? Answer will be e to the power x into f of x plus c, correct? So then which option is correct? E to the power x f of x into c. So option D is correct. Okay, for this one. This is the easy question. Did it formula based. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. That is question number 11. Okay. Next one is your question number 11. So this is your question number 11. Start quickly. Have a look how to solve. So 1 upon 1 plus 3 sine square x plus 8 cos square x. This is the integrand. So you have to integrate this one. So this is also standard procedure integration, right? There is a standard approach to solve this one. So first you try once, then we'll tell what to do.
So option B.
Okay, someone has said option. Which option is correct?
B.
Option B or D? Just can you type once?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So it will be option B itself, right? So any idea how to solve others? So this is standard integrand, right? So there is a standard approach you need to follow here. So you do one thing, you divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So this is a standard integrand. The procedure is you divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, right? So if you divide numerator and denominator by cos square x, the integrand will be what? So this will be numerator will be what? Secant square x, because you are dividing cos square x, right? Secant square x divided by denominator part will be what? That will be again secant square x. Okay, secant square x plus 3 into tan square x, 3 into tan square x. Okay, and then we have plus 8. Okay, that is the denominator part. Okay, now over here again you can simplify. So this numerator secant square x need to be written as usual, right? So this is equal to secant square x for numerator, it will be as usual, and this denominator secant square x you can write as 1 plus tan square x, right? So if you write 1 plus tan square x, then the whole denominator, okay, will be simplified to 4 tan square x, 4 tan square x, okay, plus 9, 4 tan square x plus 9. Okay, so that is the, now you have to integrate this with respect to dx, right? So whole question transform to this one. Now over here again, standard substitution you can do. So you put, okay, let your tan x is equal to some variable t. So if you put tan x is equal to t, then differentiate on both sides. So secant square x dx is equal to dt, right? So the whole question will transform to what after substitution t? So that will be integration of, I'm writing here, integration of dt, okay, dt upon 4t square, okay, plus 9. 4t square plus 9. So this is the new integrand, right, in terms of t. So again, you can apply the standard procedure, right? So you do one thing, you take 4 common from denominator. So that will be 1 by 4 integration dt upon t square plus 9 by 4, right? 9 by 4 I can write as what? 3 by 2 whole square, correct? So this is again the standard formula of integration. So that is a dx upon x square plus a square. Apply the formula and you'll get the answer. Now I think you can do, right? Standard
Sir, I
formula.
have a doubt.
Okay. So option B is correct.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Your voice is very faint, Vital. I'm not able to hear you. Sorry.
Sir, can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Are you telling anything?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me now?
Your voice is still very faint. I'm not able to hear properly.
So 1 minute.
Are you asking any doubts or what?
Yes, I have
Can
a
you
doubt.
type in the chat box? Not able to hear still.
Okay, sir.
Acha, how did I get 4 10 square x? Right? So here secant square x, how to write? Write this as 1 plus 10 square x, na? So already 3 10 square x is present. So 3 10 square x plus 10 square x will be how much? 4 10 square x, na? And 8 plus 1 will be how much? 9. Clear?
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yes. Because I splitted secant square x as 1 plus 10 square x. So that's why I got 4 10 square x and plus 9. Okay. Yes. So option B is the correct answer. Now let's go to next question, that is question number 12. Okay. Just 1 minute. So next we'll go to question number 12. Yes, this is question number 12. So try once. So the question is sine 3x by 2 upon sine x by 2 dx. So will be how much? Yes. So try this one.
So I'm not getting any of the options.
Sorry, Anurag.
So I'll type it out.
Okay, you typed your answer. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. Anurag has given the answer. Others? Okay. Akshara also has given the answer. Okay, fine. Others? So here, how to proceed here? The clue is you multiply what? Numerator and denominator of the integrand by cos x by 2, right? So if you multiply numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, so you will get I mean not cos x by 2, 2 cos x by 2, right? Then you'll get the answer. See here. So I'll be doing one thing. So the integration is sine 3x by 2. So this upon we have sine x by 2. Okay. Now you multiply numerator with a 2 into cos x by 2. Same thing for denominator also. 2 into cos x by 2, right? The denominator part will be what? Sine 2 theta formula, right? 2 sine theta into cos theta, denominator part. And for numerator part, you can apply sine c plus sine d ka formula, right? That is, I mean, 2 sine a into cos b ka formula, right? Using that sine c plus sine d wala formula, right? So if you use that one, so denominator part will be how much finally? So that will be sine x by 2 into 2. That is basically sine x. The denominator part will be sine x, right? Sine 2 theta formula. And the numerator part will be how much? That is sine 2a into cos b ka formula. That will be sine a plus b by 2, right? So 3x by 2 plus x by 2. Okay. So this will be how much? Sine 3x, right? Sine 3x. So I'm using sine 2 sine a cos b formula plus, and the second one will be what? So sine 3x by 2 minus x by 2. That will be sine 2x. Okay, sine 2x. So this is our simplified that integrand, right? Now further, this sine 3x you can split it using the formula of sine 3 theta. That is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. And this sine x again you split by using 2 sine theta into cos theta, right? So if you do so, the numerator will be how much? That is 3 sine x minus 4 sine square x, right? I mean, sorry, 4 sine cube x, my bad, not sine square, sine cube x. 4 sine cube x, okay? And second part will be 2 sine x into cos x, right? Sine 2x ka formula. 2 sine x into cos x, okay? Then after that, you just simplify this one, okay? You can simplify it further. Then from there, you will get the next step, right? So this divided by sine x will be in denominator part as usual. So this divided by sine x is already there in the denominator part, right? So now from here, you can simplify it further. So basically, first you divide sine x throughout, right? You divide sine x with the numerator terms individually. So what will get then? We'll be getting something like 3 minus 4 sine square x, right? Plus 2 cos x. Now the integrand become integration of, you divide sine x throughout with all the numerator terms, right? So that will be your 3, okay? So 3, numerator will be what? 3 minus 4 sine square x, 4 sine square x, okay? Plus 2 cos x, plus 2 cos x, everything whole times dx, okay? So now I think you can integrate now. So separate the integrand. 3 and cos 2x can be easily integrable. And middle term, that is 4 sine square x. So how do you integrate? So you have to write sine square x as 1 minus cos 2x, right? Now all terms will be integrable. So separate and integrate. And you'll get the answer. So answer for this question is option C. Okay. So you can try. Last few steps left. That thing you can do, I think. Okay. So option C is correct. Any doubts so far? Shall I go to next question if this is clear?
Sir.
Yes.
So how do we get sine 3x? It shouldn't be sine x plus sine 2x.
Which step you are talking about?
So the 2 sine 3x by 2 cos x by 2.
1 minute. Can you repeat once?
Sir, the second step, it should be sine x plus sine 2x.
Sine 3x ka formula, right? So
No.
I
Before
applied.
that.
Sine 3x ka formula, I got this one. Acha, how I got this one?
Yes, sir.
So sine 2 sine a cos b ka formula I applied. What is 2 sine a cos b ka formula?
Sine a plus b plus sine a minus b.
Yes, same thing I applied here. Sine a plus b, okay, then sine a minus b. So here a is this one. 3x by 2 and b is x by 2. I just added sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So 3x by 2 plus cos x by 2 will be how much?
Sine 2x.
This is 5x, I guess, right? This is not 3x. Is sorry, the question itself I have written the wrong one, guys. Sorry for that. This is 5x. This question is wrong itself. This is 5x, okay, not 3x. 5x by 2. There is a mistake. Same
Yes.
thing over here. 5x by 2. Yes.
Sir,
So
also
now
can
we'll
we,
get the right answer, I guess.
sir, also can we do definite integrals?
Definite integral. Okay. Fine. Let me check the slides. We'll go to the question directly then. 1 minute. We are in question 12 now. Okay, let's go to question number 16. So those are the questions of definite integral. 1 minute. Let me share my. Let's go to question number 16. 1 minute. Okay. So question number 16. Yes. Now try this one. This is not a pure definite integration, but type of. You can try this one first.
So option B.
Option D. Okay. None of this.
No, so B.
Acha, B. Okay. Yeah, option is correct. Answer is B itself. So this is again easy question. Okay. So you can use the help of substitution here to get the answer. Substitution is x you can take as 10 theta. Let x is equal to tan theta. You'll get the value. So put x is equal to tan theta. Okay. Then the dx will be how much? Secant square theta d theta. So dx will be secant square theta into d theta. Now you substitute over here. Then the integral will be how much? If I substitute everything over here, so the whole value will be, so numerator part will be what? Tan square theta into secant square theta, right? So because x square is there, so that is tan square theta directly. Let me write tan square theta, and the dx value how much I got? This one, right? Secant square theta into d theta. So that is all about numerator part. Then divided by denominator. So 1 plus x square, x is tan theta, right? So 1 plus tan square theta will be how much? Again secant square theta. So denominator first term will be secant square theta, and second again 1 plus x square. So this will be secant square theta under root. So it will be ultimately what? 1 plus secant theta. So 1 plus secant theta. Okay. So that is the simplified integrand after substitution, right? So this need to be integrated, right? So now over here, this secant square theta cancelled out directly from numerator and denominator, right? So left over is tan square theta upon 1 plus sine theta d theta. Now here you can do one thing. Tan square theta you can write as what? Sine square theta by cos square theta, right? So then this sine square theta again you split as 1 minus cos square theta. Then there will be a common factor, it will get cancelled out, right? So what I mean to say, so write this one as tan square theta as over here I'm writing, okay? So this will be sine square theta, okay, into what? Into tan square theta d theta, okay? Divided by the denominator part will be how much? That is cos square theta into sine square theta, right? So cos square theta times 1 plus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Right? Now you do one thing, you split sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay? You can split sine theta as 1 minus cos square theta. One more thing also you can do, right? So by the way, there is no tan square theta, my bad. This is mistake. Okay, because tan square theta already is splitted, right? Sine by cos. Yeah. So then you can do one more thing over here. So after that, write sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Right, sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Then I think you can get the simplified form and proceed further. I think now you can do, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, how does
Yes.
he get 1 plus sine theta?
1 plus sine theta is already there, na? 1 plus sine theta, sorry. It should be 1 plus secant theta, sorry, my bad. It will be 1 plus secant theta, na? Not sine theta, sorry. Secant theta.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sorry. Yes. Because under root of 1 plus tan square is there. So it will be secant theta. Okay. Yes. So now I think you can do, try once. That is the approach. Now simplification part you have to do. And you'll be getting the answer as option B. Okay. Now I think you can do. Let's go to the next question if this is clear. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so let's go to this question. It's an interesting question. Just try once. So this can be asked in definite integration also, indefinite also. If they put limit, so it will be definite integration. So try this one. How to solve this question. This is a previous year JEE advanced question. Okay, previously sometime they asked, but nowadays they are asking in K-CET also. So just try this one. This is a PYQ type.
So option C.
Okay, option C is correct. Now see, so this type of question, how to solve, that is the standard procedure. Okay, so we have this dx upon x minus 1 whole cube. Okay, this is not whole cube, 3 to the whole 3 by 4, right? Already 1 by 4 is outside. So if I multiply, it will be x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4. And second term will be what? X plus 2 whole power 5 by 4. Okay, so that will be 5 by 4. Now you do one thing over here. So you multiply the whole expression by x minus, multiply and divide, I mean, okay, x minus 1 whole power 5 by 4, you divide this one, also you multiply the same, x minus 1, okay, whole power 5 by 4. So that is the procedure. Why you are doing so, you'll get to know. right? So after that, so merge all the x minus 1. So over here x minus 1 to the power 3 by 4 is there, and over here x minus 1 to the power 5 by 4 is there, right? So if you merge both, so how much is the power? So it will be x minus 1 power 3 by 4, okay, plus 5 by 4. So it will be x minus 1 square, x minus 1 whole square. And this term I can write as, because they have common power 5 by 4 to both, so this I can write as x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole power 5 by 4, okay, whole power 5 by 4 integration, right? So now here you have to take this second fraction, that is x plus 2 upon x minus 1, this value as a t, okay? So you take this value as a t and apply the substitution method. Now you can easily solve this question. Let this value is equal to t, okay? So if you put that value as t, automatically this part will come its derivative. Are you getting my point? If you assume this part is t, the whole part will come as a derivative, right? So then after substitution, you will be left with this type of things, that is integration of some constant outside, dt upon t to the power 5 by 4, okay, because this is t na, t to the power 5 by 4. So constant will be there outside, that I need to check for substitution method, and you have to integrate this one. So now it's easy, right? You can integrate, then you back substitute the value of t here, and you'll get the answer. So this is option, which option is correct? Option C, I guess, right? C. Option C is correct. Okay. So this is the procedure. Okay. Always you follow the same procedure. So whatever second factor is there, right? So first factor you multiply and divide with the same power. So first factor is x minus 1 and second factor is x plus 2, right? So what I did here, so first I got the common power is 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 by 4 there. I divided and multiplied the first factor with its power, right? That is x minus 1, 5 by 4 I multiplied and divide also. So that I can merge the second term and the denominator part with the power 5 by 4, common power 5 by 4. And I got the fraction, that is x plus 2 upon x minus 1 whole power 5 by 4. Then you have to do the substitution, assume that value as a t. Automatically you'll get the derivative of that one is in the form of dx upon x minus 1 whole square. So that is the approach you have to do for this question. Is it clear? Any doubts so far? Any step which is not clear? Is it clear, guys? Shall I go to next question? Or anyone have any doubt, any confusion? You can ask. We'll explain once more. This is a standard approach to solve this type of questions, okay? Always. Any question involves fractional powers, so first try with this method. It will be working always. Fractional powers as well as the denominator should be in the form of a product of factors. Then only two things need to satisfy. Then only you can do. Okay. So then let's go to the next question after this, if this is clear. So 1 minute. Yeah, can you try this one? This is a pure definite integration question. Question number 21. Try this.
So could you please explain this?
Okay, see here. So over here, you have to first to do one thing. Let assume I is the integrand, right? I is equal to the given question, that is 0 to 1 of log 1 plus x, okay, divided by 1 plus x square times dx. So now here you have to do the substitution. Let your x is equal to tan theta. Okay. So when you do the substitution, so first of all, the limit of integration will change, right? So whenever x is equal to 0, that time, what is the value of theta? Theta will be how much? Theta will be 0, right? Whenever x will be 1, that time theta will be how much? 45 degree pi by 4, right? So let me change the integrand also, because we are changing variable. So now integration is now from 0 to pi by 4, okay? 0 to pi by 4, because 1045 is 1, right? 0 to pi by 4. And this log, okay? Log 1 plus tan theta, because x we have taken as tan theta, right? And dx will be how much? Dx will be secant square theta d theta, right? So directly I'm writing over here, secant square theta d theta divided by denominator is we have 1 plus tan square theta. That will be how much? Secant square theta, right? Directly I'm writing. So this secant square theta get cancelled from the both numerator and denominator. So ultimately the integrand will be how much now? I is equal to 0 to pi by 4, okay? 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta, correct? Log of 1 plus tan theta times d theta, okay? So this is the our final integrand, right? Now over here you can do one thing. So this you can modify as, okay, tan theta you can write as pi by 4 minus theta, right? So you can apply the property over here. Which property? So integration, this is called which rule? 0 to a of f of x dx. So this x can be replaced as what? Upper limit plus lower limit minus theta, right? Or minus the variable. So this is the King's property, right? So you apply this theta as pi by 4 minus theta, because pi by 4 plus 0 minus theta also pi by 4 minus theta, right? So apply this property. So if you apply this property, so I will be how much finally? So I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4, okay, pi by 4 log of, okay, log of 1 plus this tan theta will be how much? 10 pi by 4 minus theta, correct? You apply the property, that is the King's rule, King's property, okay? So this times dx. Now over here you can do one thing. Now you apply 10a minus b formula. Assume a is pi by 4, b is theta, okay? Then you apply 10 a minus b ka formula, and finally the integrand I will be how much? That is the integration 0 to pi by 4 as usual, right? And after applying this formula, it will be log of, okay, 1 plus 1 minus tan theta. If you apply 10 in a minus b ka formula, 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta whole d theta, right? So then you take LCM. Then you take LCM. After that, you take LCM. After LCM, to simplify. Now I think you can do. Take LCM over here. Then you can do. Proceed further. Shall I continue further, or you can do by yourself? Okay, let me complete this one. 1 minute. Few more steps are there. So let me erase this portion. Just 1 second. Okay. Yeah. So after that, if you take LCM, right? So what is the thing we'll get? So it will be, I mean, I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4 as usual. Okay. And this will be your log of, after LCM and all simplification, we'll be getting log of 2 upon 1 plus tan theta. Okay. Log of 2 upon 1 plus tan theta whole d theta. Correct. So now you can apply the property of log here, right? Over here you can apply the property of log, that is I is equal to your integration of 0 to pi by 4, okay? Integration of 0 to pi by 4, that is log 2 okay, d theta log 2 d theta, then minus again same thing, that is your integration of 0 to pi by 4, okay, 0 to pi by 4, that is your log of what, 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus tan theta d theta, right? So I'm using the property of log, that is log a by b is equal to how much, log a minus log b, right? Same thing I am applying. And the last part is nothing but what, our original integrand I itself, right? So you substitute the I over here. So ultimately what I got, so this I is equal to log 2, by the way, is a constant, you can take it outside, okay? So log 2 integration of d theta, and the limits are 0 to pi by 4, okay? And this value is again I, right? So it's minus I, right? Then you take I to that side, that will be 2I. So 2I is equal to log 2 will be as usual, and this will be into pi by 4, because the d theta integration is theta itself, and the limit will be from pi by 4 to 0. So that is pi by 4 itself, right? Pi by 4. So finally, what is the value of I? So I is equal to, okay, pi by 8 times log 2. Pi by 8 times log 2. This is the final answer. Which option is matching? That is your option, option A. Option A is correct. Is it clear how to apply?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next we'll go to next one. Just 1 minute. So this is how we can perform this type of definite integration. Okay. So let me go to question number 22 quickly. Yes. So try this one. This is also another question from definite integration. So hint for this question is for the denominator part, right? So you convert everything into sine and cos form. Then take LCM and proceed. So this is the one thing you can do.
Sir, I did that and I got integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos x dx by 1 plus sin x plus cos x.
Okay. So after that, simplify that one further. Make everything into x by 2 form. Make sin x into sin x by 2, cos x into cos x by 2 form. Then you can proceed further. How to make x by 2? How to transform x to x by 2?
So using the tan x by 2 formula. So sin x will become 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by
Yes, that you can do. Yes, same thing for cos also you can apply. Then everything will be x by 2 form. Then you can proceed further. You'll get the answer after simplification. Yes, convert sin x, cos x both into form of x by 2 using 10 formula. So answer for this question will be option A. Okay. Option A is the answer for this question. You can have a look.
Sir, could you please solve it?
Okay. So see, first you convert everything into x by 2 form. Is it done? What you are getting? Tell me.
So 2 tan x by 2, 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2
Hmm.
in plus 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 minus tan square x by 2.
Okay. Then again you do one thing. Everything you make into sine and cos form from there itself.
So even in the sin and cos form, so you get sin x by 2 in whole into cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 by 1 plus 2 sin x by 2. So that
Okay.
does not simplify any further.
You got the answer, right?
No, sir. It's not integrating, sir, because like everything is not in the same form. Like
Everything turning out to be same form. Okay.
no, sir, it's not coming. So it's sin x by 2
Okay.
into cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus 2 sin x by 2.
2 sine x by 2. Okay. Okay. Any other means then you can think if answer is not coming. On any other way we can do this one? Any other idea? This is one of the approach. If not working, then we can check some other one. Any other idea how to solve others? I think this method will work. Maybe some simplification mistake we are doing. That we need to check.
So I'm not getting it.
Okay, fine. Let me just try once. 1 minute. Yeah. So first make everything into sine and cos form. Then I think all of you might have got this step, right? So I'm writing after sine and cos transformation and LCM. So I think you'll be getting this type of things. That is 1 plus sine x plus cos x. 1 plus sine x plus cos x. Okay. Divided by sine x into cos x, right? Is it the thing everyone got?
Sir, I got the reciprocal of that.
You got reciprocal of it?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
reciprocal you need to get because 1 by is there, na? Sorry. Yes. Reciprocal of it you'll get. Sorry. Yeah, my bad. Yes. So, yeah, let me write over here. So, I is equal to, this is the denominator value, right? Reciprocal will be there because 1 by denominator is there. Sorry. So this will be integration. You'll be getting what? Sin x. Finally, I'm writing sin x into cos x. Okay. Divided by 1 plus sin x. Okay. Plus cos x dx. So this is the what you'll need to get, right? Finally. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now you do one thing. You just apply this, as I said, half angle formula. So if you apply half angle formula, so what is the value you'll be getting over here? Half angle formula, anyone tried? What is the things you are getting?
Yes, sir. I found a mistake, sir. So you get sine x by 2 into
Okay.
cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 divided
Okay.
by 1 plus sin x by 2. So it's not 2 sin x by 2.
Okay. Then after that, can you able to simplify further?
So cos square x by 2 can be written as 1 minus sin square x by 2. So you'll get 1 minus sin square 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2.
Okay.
So that's it, sir.
Then what is the answer? Answer is, are you getting the answer as which one is the answer from the option? Is it answer option A coming or something else? Is it coming option A or something else? Just let me know. Simplify further from there. I think steps are correct up to that.
So could you do it?
Okay, fine. So from here, after that, what is the half angle formula of sin x? Sin x is equal to how much? In the form of tan. What's the formula?
2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square
2 tan x by 2, okay, divided by
1 plus tan square x by 2.
1 plus tan square x by 2, okay. So same thing, tell me for cos x also.
1 minus tan square x by 2.
1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus
Tan square x.
tan square x by 2, okay. So now you substitute those values over here and simplify. Can you tell me what is simplified after this one? Put all the values over here. In place of sin x, you put this one. In place of cos x, you put this one. Same thing over here. Tell me the final answer after simplification. In the form of tan only, tell me. How much? Substitute all the values over here. Take LCM and simplify further. So
Yes, sir.
I think this 1 plus tan square will get cancelled, right? While taking LCM from
Yes,
both the
sir.
sides.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Huh.
Tan x by 2 minus tan square x by 2.
Tan x by 2, then minus
Minus minus tan square x by 2.
minus tan square x by 2. That is for numerator part, right?
So there is no denominator.
Acha, everything is getting cancelled.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So integration, right? I is equal to this much of integration. So, okay. So second part is integrable, right? Is it directly integrate? We can integrate directly or not? First part, I think it will directly integrate, na? Tan theta ka formula you can apply. And the second part, how to integrate? Right, tan square x by 2s, secant square x by 2 plus 1. Try once that method. Put the limit. Got my point? What I'm telling?
Yes, sir. I'm doing it.
Do it. Then you put the limit. What is the value you are getting? Check. Without half angle also, can you do it? You need to think once. Any other method we can apply? First, to do this one. Then we'll see any other method also applicable or not, apart from this half angle thing. Half angle, why we are doing? Because denominator is getting cancelled. That is the main advantage over here. Both parts are integrable now. Not an issue.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yes.
Sir, I got log sec x by 2 divided by 2 minus x plus tan x by 2 by 2.
Then put the limit 0 to pi by 2.
So then I got log root 2 by 2, which is log 2 by 4 minus pi by 2 plus half.
Plus half. Okay. Then maybe numerical, using calculator, you can get the options. Get the numerical value and check which one is more close from the options. That we can do one thing. Because options are given in different way, right? So pi by 4 and 1 form given. Approximately which option is matching, that you can check.
So could you show the I think the solution is there on the next page.
Solutions are there. Yeah, solutions are there. Let me check once. 1 minute. Is there in the next page, I guess? Yes. 1 minute. That we can do. 1 minute. Solution is blank, I guess. Okay, next one, I guess. 1 minute. Sorry. No.
So
I
page
think this
58.
is there, I guess. No? This one. Yeah, this is the solution. Yes. What they are doing here? Same thing, I think, or anything else? First step is same, just like us. Okay.
So they didn't use tan x by 2. They did in terms of cos and sine.
Cos and sine. But here also they have done the half angle formula, the half angle. So sine x becomes sine x by 2 and all. So they use the half angle without doing tan and all.
Sir, after the half angle, what do they do? So like
I think they are converting everything into sine and cos, half angles, whatever tan and all you got. Or else, what they have done here? They have written 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. That is basically that we can write for sine x, right? Yes. Okay, understood. So sine x, they have written what in this form? Can I write like that? 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. Sine 2x, so it will be sine x by 2 into 2.
yes, sir. I got it.
Yes, there is another way of doing this half angle instead of tan. Cos also they have done the same. So they have written cos x as cos x by 2 into 2. Cos 2 theta ka formula they applied. Understood?
So
Second
after
one.
that step, how have they done it? After that step?
After this one.
Yes, sir.
This one they have what they have done. They have divided, I guess, both the things. This will be okay. They factorize, I guess. This factor is there, na? Denominator, is it possible to factorize? Take once.
So you can take. So in the numerator you can factorize 2 cos x by 2.
They have done factorization and cancellation. Then they got the final this one. Yeah. Is it clear now? Solution is clear or any doubt still?
Oh, yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah. Many ways are there. Check in the our method, the 10 wala form. So approximately you are reaching to 1 minus pi by 4 or not once. Using calculator, of course. Manually it will take a lot of time.
Oh, so it could be like the value may be the same.
Value may be the same, just way of presenting are different. That I am telling, na? Value may be the same, just way of presentation is different. Option wise, they are expecting people to do this one. Not necessarily, we will be doing this one. You can do that one also. If the thing is integrable, we have multiple options to do that. Okay, so I think this part is clear now. Yes. By the way, when you have exam, guys, any idea?
23rd and 24th.
23rd and 24th.
All of you are preparing for K-CET, right? What about JEE session, second session? How's the exam?
It was good.
Have you evaluated your score?
No, that has not come yet.
I mean, that's not official one, unofficial, I'm asking.
Yes, sir. That has come, but we need to manually check. Like each option we have to do. It's too much time to do that.
Okay, understood.
Use
What
a
about
score
others?
calculator.
Vital, Akshara.
Sir, I didn't give the second attempt.
First attempt was you have scored good or what? First, how was the
So
first attempt?
it was all right. It wasn't too great.
Okay, fine. What about Angelina? What about you? How's
Sir,
your
I
second
gave.
session?
It was not so great. It was kind of hard.
First session?
First session was also not so great.
Okay. If I'm not wrong, you are from Marathali, right, Angelina?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Acha, I understood. Okay, fine. What about others in the Marathali batch?
I don't think any of them are here right now.
I don't know. How was the session of first session? Other student, your classmate, right? I forgot the names. What are the names?
Yeah,
Uh,
Kritika.
Kritika, Aishani, Shaurish.
Yeah.
How they performed first session?
Sorish got 97 percentile.
Okay.
Kritika
What about
95.
Ishani and Kritika?
Aishani, I don't know. I don't think she made above the cutoff.
Okay, understood.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about you? How's your performance?
Not that great.
Okay, understood. Okay, so there is no problem. You can try for this cassette, everyone. Those who haven't performed well for the session 2 also. But if you see the question paper, right, session 2 is much easier compared to session 1. If you compare, I mean, not all the sessions, most of the sessions. Though questions are lengthy in maths, but those are doable. Yeah. Okay, anyhow. So you have one, many other choices are there. So you can do this one, K-CET, or you have BitSat also, right? You can enroll for those things also. Options are many, so you have to just prepare. That's it. It's not like that JEE is the only one option we have. We have many options. You need to explore that one, whichever is best for you. Okay, guys. So that's it. Yeah. Anything anyone want to ask? No, right? Okay. So thank you all, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.